Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to MNC's updates for 21 to 24 batch. The companies are Bootnext, Tech Mahindra, Supercoder, NPCI, ZS, ENTNT, Verifone, ThinkBridge, Deloitte. In this video, we will discuss about the test interview process. Let's start the video. Like and share the video. This all videos are for all of you. Okay. So let's discuss our first update that is related to Bootnext. So one of the most important point that I have to mention that Bootnext contain application process in which the first round is completed of 120 minutes and candidates already completed the video interview round as well. We are waiting for technical assessment face-to-face dialogue. Totally depends on them whether they will conduct this round online or offline. Okay, this is one of the most important point that I have to mention. Okay, so this is the round in which they mention there is a 1 or 2 technical interview. So I suggest all of you to prepare interview prepare for interview in advance. Okay, it is a good opportunity. हमें कभी भी call आ सकता है. So we have to prepare for interview. Okay, you completed the video round, just prepare for interview. Next is related to Tech Mahindra Supercoder. So one of the most important point, candidate received a mail from firstnaukri.com, Tech Mahindra Supercoder hiring challenge round 2 request for additional information. We hope that this message find you well. With reference to participation in the Tech Mahindra Supercoder challenge round 2, we kindly request to provide additional information to complete the process. This is just a form in which they are asking some details. The round 1 is completed. Round 2 is related to advanced aptitude and coding. It is also completed. The round 3 is related to face-to-face technical and HR interview round at Tech Mahindra offices. So I suggest all of you to this opportunity is for 5.5 LPA, that is a Tech Mahindra Supercoder. So prepare for interview. Okay, they will ask related to some concepts as well as your project, internship, technical concept. This is very important. Next update is related to NPCI. NPCI, we are waiting for interview mail. If you not received the result, just wait. If your 2 codes are successfully executed and you submitted, you passed all the test cases, okay, and still you not received the rejection, so there is a chances of interview. I suggest all of you to prepare for interview opportunity. Already we posted the interview video on our channel. ZS Campus Beat changed the eligibility criteria. I confirmed with recruiter. They mentioned that apologize. Basically, it is for 2024-5 batch. Okay, so if you not applied yet and if the registration link is active, you can check our previous video. Next update is from ENTNT. Basically, ENTNT are next company. So many candidates completed the online assessment. Okay, and in which the online assessment is related to that, and after that many candidates completed the technical assessment, okay, in which you have to make one project. Okay, so the last is online interview. I talked to some of the candidates, they are already selected in this company. So the interview round is based on technical assessment as well as the technical concepts, your project, internship. So I suggest all of you to prepare for interview, क्योंकि इसका भी कॉल कभी भी आ सकता है, तो हमें एडवांस में इंटरव्यू की प्रिपरेशन कर लेना चाहिए. So next update is from Verifone. Verifone is good company and many candidates applied from our channel and they received the mail, as well as one candidate received the next mail, that is a C++ technical assessment test. Okay, congratulations on clearing the aptitude test UCAT. To proceed further, you need to take the mandatory technical assessment test. Below is the link of C++ technical assessment test. All the very best. This is also good opportunity. ThinkBridge, this is a good company and I already shared with all of you. This is the selection process of ThinkBridge. There is a technical test, after that technical assignment, interview, on selection and offer of 4.8 LPA as an apprentice software engineer. तो देखिए यहाँ पर उन्होंने आपको टॉगल टेस्ट के लिए मेल भेजा है. वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, दिस इज रिलेटेड टू ऑनलाइन टेक्निकल टेस्ट. ओके, इसमें आपसे टेक्निकल क्वेश्चंस पूछे जा सकते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू SQL और डिफरेंट टाइप. मैं आपको ये बताना चाहता हूँ, यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर फॉर अपॉर्चुनिटी इन एडवांस. ओके, you can directly join our telegram group for update, okay, in which many candidates completed their examination and they share their exam experience, like what are the pattern, what is the exam pattern. So soon I will I will share with all of you that what is the pattern, but most probably it is a technical test. After that there is a technical assignment that is related to some project, and after that interview. So the chances is high that they will send the mail. So I suggest all of you to prepare for this opportunity. Next opportunity is from Deloitte, that is a 23rd March virtual interview for tomorrow. Like candidates are still waiting one mail from them that is related to next process, but in the PDF they mention that Excel related concepts. Okay, Excel related, so you have to prepare HR questions of Deloitte. Excel related questions will be asked because the skills mentioned in the like job description. Okay, so we have to wait for the next update from Deloitte, and most probably in the ThinkBridge, like in the ThinkBridge technical concepts question will be asked. Okay, so the technical concepts including very different question, okay, that is related to like some of the concepts. एंड उन्होंने ये भी मेंशन किया है कि यहाँ पर टेक्निकल असेसमेंट एंड इंटरव्यू होने वाला है. ओके, सो व्हेन यू कंप्लीटेड द टेस्ट, सो यू विल रिसीव्ड रिजल्ट फ्रॉम देम. Okay, that is related to that is related to process. Okay, so SQL based question हो सकते हैं, aptitude and picture based. Okay, picture based questions भी हो सकते हैं, या फिर मतलब कंप्यूटर साइंस कंसेप्ट्स में देख सकते हैं. और थोड़ा डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स के कॉन्सेप्ट्स भी आप पढ़ लीजिएगा, बिकॉज सम कैंडिडेट्स, आई थिंक सम कैंडिडेट्स कंप्लीटेड द एग्जाम एंड दे मेंशन दैट बाइनरी सर्च और हीप, और यहाँ पर काफ़ी सारे क्वेश्चंस हो सकते हैं. ओके, सो आई होप दिस वीडियो इज यूजफुल फॉर एवरीवन. इफ यू हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ डाउट, लेट मी नो दैट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो.